Let's move on to some other breaking news where Robert Vadra has now issued a statement on the political dive. His joining of politics, a lot of speculations over there, and Vadra has said that first, and I'm quoting Vadra's statement, I need to absolve from baseless acquisitions and all allegations, etc. through ED. But yes, all in time. We'll start working on it, but no hurry. Have to earn it in people. Need to feel that, and people need to feel that I can make a change all in time. All right, so that's significant. It's coming at a time when Robert Vadra has been facing a lot of heat of the Enforcement Directorate of his alleged shady London property deals, and back home Bikaner land deals, etc. are already on the ED scanner. And amidst these posters that appeared today in Moradabad of Uttar Pradesh, where the youth cadres, Anuj is going to throw more light on it, where the youth cadres apparently talked about his political entry in Moradabad is highly welcomed. And now Robert Vadra's this line, what does it really mean? It means that the ED probe, he conveniently, Anuj, tries to call it accusations, baseless allegations. Does it mean that he is warming up to make a political debut at a time when some serious charges of corruption are looming large?
Well, actually, this is it. This is it, what is being confirmed by Robert Vadra by this statement that he is now planning and all set to join the Congress party. And there, the hint has been given first on the social media by the statement on Facebook, on the social media. And thereafter, now the statement what Republic TV is breaking first, that he is not denying that he is not going to join the active politics. Yes, he is going to be the part of active politics and he will be there in the Congress party. And the preparation what has been done, this is all the strategy of the Congress party what we are seeing at this point in time. Let me tell you one important point. This is not only the youth congress of the Congress party in Moradabad, but Raj Babbar, who is the in charge of Congress party from Uttar Pradesh, was also there in Moradabad, and he himself held a meeting in Moradabad yesterday night. And thereafter, this is all coming in light when Robert Vadra posters can be seen in Moradabad, and this is not going to be shocking now when Congress party will be announcing Robert Vadra as their candidate from Moradabad. But yes, for official version, we have to wait and watch. But this is something confirmed by none other but Robert Vadra himself, that he is just waiting for the time. And after the time will come, he is going to be the part of the active politics. Yes, again and again, not very shocking when he is calling all the allegation against him is baseless. Where on the other side, we are continuously seeing how ED being questioning Robert Vadra again and again about his money laundering deal and other charges which has been framed by the ED on Robert Vadra. But yes, Republic TV confirming it first by none other but the Robert Vadra statement that he is going to be the part of Congress party, and that is the strategy.
All right. Thank you very much, Anuj. We'll keep an eye on that story as well. But right now, let's slip into a short breather on the other side. There's another big story that we are tracking for our viewers, the latest in Arunachal Pradesh.